The pull-ups are one of the most respected exercises in calisthenics. They're also one of the key competition movements in street lifting. Even bodybuilders do pull-ups because they understand the value that they bring when building a strong but aesthetic back. But the problem that most people face, especially for beginners, is they struggle to do even one rep. So today I'm going to give you some simple tips that you can implement right now to speed up your pull-up progress. And number one, that is to start with the basics. You really want to develop the strength to move your own body weight. When learning a new skill or an exercise, it's important to start with the basic movement. So in order to get good at the pull-ups, you need to get good at moving your own body weight. This will help develop the muscle and the strength in the specific muscle groups that are used to perform the pull-ups. For example, doing bodyweight rows for beginners. This will help you get used to using your own back and your biceps, which are the main muscle groups used to perform the pull-ups. Now number two is to do less machine and cable exercises. Now this may come as a surprise to some of you, but to be honest, a lot of weight training exercises don't really carry over to the pull-ups. Now when it comes to calisthenic movements or exercises, doing weight training doesn't really help you progress the way you think it does. This is because the style of training is completely different. With weight training, you are moving external load from an open kinetic chain position, and with calisthenics, you are moving your own body weight in a closed kinetic chain position. You need to do exercises that help you improve your pull-up strength. Number three is to use simple progressions. Use simple progressions to help you track your progress, which also help you carve out a clear path towards your goal. Don't switch up your exercises every week because you think it's fun or exciting. Using simple progressions will mean your workouts will be pretty similar on a week-to-week basis, but this will help you progress a lot faster. Number four is to train the pull-ups at least twice per week. In order to get better at the pull-ups, you need to practice them at least 2 times per week. Once a week is not enough to get your body used to the movement, especially for beginners who are able to recover faster from their workouts. So you can definitely train the pull-ups again after a few days rest. And number five is to be patient, guys. It takes time. Your body weight and your genetics will play a big role in how quick you progress at the pull-ups. So there you have it, guys. That's some simple tips that you can implement right now to improve your pull-up game. Take these tips into consideration and you'll be good at the pull-ups in no time. So thank you guys for watching, support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.